Welcome to 4831 Stowe Derby Drive here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina, located in the highly desirable 28278 area. This stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home that blends comfort, modern design, and an unbeatable location. This spacious family room is the heart of the home. With a cozy fireplace and large windows, this space is perfect for relaxing after a long day or hosting gatherings with friends and family. The open concept layout makes it easy to connect with the kitchen and dining area. The primary suite is a true retreat, spacious, bright, and thoughtfully designed. It's a place you'll love coming home to. There are 3 additional bedrooms upstairs, each offering comfort and versatility, ideal for children, guests, or even a home office. This home is located just minutes from some of Charlotte's most popular destinations: TopGolf Charlotte, Carowinds Amusement Park, and the beautiful Lake Wylie. Whether you're into outdoor activities, entertainment, dining, or shopping, everything you need is right around the corner. Schedule a tour or learn more about this property. Contact Tech Realty Rentals today. We'd be happy to help you make this home yours.